Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. So in this video I will show you how we can make the dimension for the object. So before this we already make the layers for dimension. Go to layers and then now it's a visible line, but we want to make dimension, so please scroll down and click dimension. Click dimension. Okay. So now we are working with dimension line, okay? And then this is annotation. Annotation is where you can put the text and you can draw a dimension. And if you scroll down here, there are several methods on how we can draw dimension. So that we can draw that linear dimension, align, angular, arc length, radius, diameter, ordinate, and jog. So for this one, I want to make this dimension first. So we will use linear. Click linear. And then let's make the first one 35. So this 35 dimension is from this point to this point. So I will pick, specify first extension line from here and here. Okay, bring it here. So you need to adjust the distance. Okay, so next let's draw 50. So again, press enter or you can click the linear menu again. So 50 is from this point to the middle. So from this point to the middle. So if you want to make it align with 35, so you bring this here. So it will align 50 and 35. Next 100. Again press enter because we still want to make it linear. So 100 we pick this point and this point and bring to here. You need to adjust the distance, not too close, not too far. Okay, just in the just nice. Okay, so next let's draw 70. 70 from this point to this point. And then enter, repeat dimension, this point to this point, make it a line, and then 140. And then you can repeat this one, 5, and then here 10. Okay. And then angular. Let's make this dimension. You can choose angular and select this line and this line. Then bring it out. Okay. And then again angular. This one. Sorry. Okay. Angular. This one and this one. Okay, so you can repeat for the rest of the dimension. Next, I will show you how we can create the center line. So to create center line, you can go to annotate, and there is a button, is a menu for center line. So we have center mark for circle, or center line uh, for the polyline. Okay, so click this one, and then we need to select first line, and select this one and this one. Okay, now you see that the color is blue because we still in the dimension layer. So we need to click this one, and then go to home, go to layer, and then click center. So the layer will automatically turn into red. So if you see the line is short, so you can drag to the top, to the up, to make it longer, and to the bottom. Okay, enter. And then this one, center line. So repeat again, annotate, center line, select first line, make it this one and this one. Again, it's still blue because we don't change the line. So go to, click that line, go home, and then go center, and then drag the line a little bit to make it longer, so it will be easier for us to see. Okay, so I will delete this one. So this is how we give a dimension and center line. Okay, if your because this is already a standard dimension style, so in case if you have a bigger picture and you want to change the dimension, you can modify. Go to annotation, go to here, dimension style, and then you can modify the setting for the dimension. Click modify, and then you can change the distance, you can change the text, okay, you can change the unit, etc. Yeah, this one you can play around, but normally we will just follow ISO 25 standard. Close. And normally the dimension, we can put the dimension in the figure, or we can put it later when we put the figure in the title block. So when we put the title block, and then we can put the dimension. So for your assignment, it's better for you to draw the figure first, and later on when I teach you about title block, we can insert the dimension in that title block. Okay, but you can play around with this. I think that's all for dimension. Okay, I hope you can try to make it for figure 1. And when you make it, make sure you save figure 1 in one file. So how to save? Just go to here, save. Sorry, I already saved it. So save as. So make sure you save it in a DWG unit. Okay, and then save. Okay, before I end this video, if you notice, our visible line and our dimension line is in the same thickness. So how we want to make it thicker? So we type LW display. Pick the LW display, and then change the off into on, and then enter. So now you see that your visible line is appeared. Alright. So that's all I think for figure 1. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.